with the if statement, right? Uh, if statement. First, we're going with the if statement. What is if statement mean? Right? That's very important to understand. If statement said test the test the condition, test the test the condition. If if it is true, if it is true, the block of code, the block of code under it run, right? Under its run. What it mean? What it mean? Like when we run the code, then happening, then things are happening, and the first code, your system or the that process see the first statement and then go forward, right? So give first statement in if block what happen. Let's consider we have age is equal to 24, and then we are giving the if statement. If the age is uh, greater than or equal to 18, then simply print uh, simply print uh, code, right? Simply for code, okay? And we go execute. So you will see this is age 24. It's mean is greater than or equal to 84. It's mean you are giving a code. But that what happening when your age is 16, then the code is not executed. Why this code are not executed, right? So for that we need another statement, and that statement is nothing but a let's consider adding one more statement. That's a else statement, okay? So we are going with second one, that is a else else statement, okay? What is else statement? When you define uh, else is else is else statement run if if none of if none of the previous if statement are true, right? Are true. Okay. When the if a statement are not true, right? Then run a second statement is nothing but is a else statement. Okay. We understand the example. So similarly, we have let's consider we have we have age. Age is equal to, let's consider we have 16, right? And we are a print if age is greater than equal to 18, uh, just just print uh, you do old. Say right, you do old. And similarly, uh, we give another statement, that's the else. What you say else? It means else simply print else. It means if the first statement, if statement is wrong, then print else statement. This is oath. You can't oath. You okay? Uh, you you can't do oath. Okay. So what do you think? You see this statement, and in this statement, is age is a age is less than 18 or equal to 18, less than 18, it means there's a print, ignore it means there's a if statement is false, right? If statement false, so we are considering as a second statement is run in this particular case, this you can't do vote, right? This is the do a else statement. We are going with a third statement is the elif. What is the elif statement? Elif statement is the okay. First, we are going with the definition, and then understand what is the elif statement. Okay. So first, uh, elif statement, elif. Uh, let you check. Let you check multiple conditions, right? Let you check multiple conditions. One after one the other. It check one by one multiple statement. You write down the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 second multiple statement check, right? That will help you for the uh, that will help you for understanding the concepts. Okay, so we are getting one statement is let's consider we have a variable x is equal to 10, right? And we execute first if statement. If x is greater than 15, x is greater than 15, so we are a just print greater than 15. Okay, greater than 15. And second statement we are going with a elif statement. Okay, for a multiple statement you use a elif. In a elif statement you writing one more condition. This condition is just like the less than 5, x is less than 5, x is greater than 5, so we are print greater than 5, greater than 5, right? And one more last statement is a else statement, that is just print 5 or less, 5 or less. This simple statement, what it mean? First condition says if check it is a x is uh, greater than 5, right? It means the false condition. Right, first is a false condition. It's because x is not greater than 15. Okay, second statement is the true statement. Check the x is greater than 5. Yeah, it's actually greater than 5. And third we print the 5 or less than. Okay, this is third statement. And so if we skip the else because the condition has already true, right? In that case, the first is okay. Understand one thing. This is the first condition is a false. Second condition you see this is the uh, true condition, and second third one is a skip. Why skip? This third condition will be skip just because of the this is second condition are true, right? And okay, let's we print this statement. So greater than 5, this will be a implement. So this simple concept of ellipse and else statement. We will understand uh, examples of that particular statement in the next video. And we talking about some common mistakes that we uh, okay.